Hey guys, today we're going to dive into building a brand new Elegoo Neptune 4 3D printer. Here's all the parts that came with the printer. We'll go over what you will need for each step in the build process. First, you want to flip the printer onto its side in order to align the screw holes of the base and the gantry rails. You will need 2 people for this part as it is difficult to balance both pieces. Be careful not to touch the Z-axis screw rods, as they are easy to bend, causing imperfections in your 3D prints. Next, you're going to need the 4 long screws to connect the base to the gantry. Be careful to avoid over-tightening so as not to strip the screws. Next, you will want to assemble and attach the filament spool holder. Take the filament sensor and attach it to the base of the filament spool holder. To attach the magnetic holder for the touchscreen display, you will want to screw it into the front right side of the printer base, using the 3 short screws. Now it is time to install the formidable 4 fan cooling system onto the Z-axis rail. It boasts an impressive and powerful torrent of air that cools the filament as it is being laid down. Now, you can connect all the plug-ins to their respective ports. Don't forget the touchscreen display. Secure the extruder and fan cables with the clip provided. The power cable is next. Once attached and plugged in, you can turn the printer on. Place a roll of filament onto the spool holder and load it into the extruder. Be sure to check what types of filament the printer is compatible with. Now preheat the nozzle. Once it is hot enough, press the load button. Now you can begin to feed the filament into the extruder. Pull the tab to the side, then pull the filament down through the hole until you meet some resistance. Release the tab, and a small gear will begin to pull the filament through the nozzle. Press the Prepare button, then the Auto Home button to move the nozzle to the center of the print plate. This will help the printer start up more efficiently. You can go into the settings and toggle the LED controls if you want some extra lighting. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more videos.